Yo, what's good? Your boy EP3 here. Yeah, so that's it. This trade recap of episode 3 of my road to success. Yeah, so that's it. I was supposed to film this yesterday, but I did not trade yesterday. Like, my entry didn't get filled yesterday, so that's why I'm filming it today, being the 13th of June. So you got me. So, unfortunately, today I took an L. It was unnecessary though. Unnecessary loss. That's what I took today. So let's talk about yesterday trade first. Then yesterday, like I said, I was hoping to see this daily fair value gap. I was hoping to see price meet that fair value gap. Of which during yesterday, price wasn't even in the fair value gap. So yesterday morning, I came as I saw the charts. I actually saw that yes, we've got double lows right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. We've got double lows right here, so I saw that as a liquidity. Yeah, so I was not willing to trade to take any trade and put my stop loss right here. So that's why I put my entry at a double lows, hoping that price will sweep it before going up. And this candle right here is CPI candle though. This candle right here. So I was hoping that price would sweep these double lows and before going up. But as you can see, price literally took off without meeting my entry. So yeah, that's it. I think it's part of the journey. Sometimes we get a better trade but end up not taking it, or our entry ends up not being filled or shit like that. But I don't know. Then today, coming in to the day today, I actually saw this leg, because this candle, this white candle right here is CPI, while this black one here was FOMC. So yeah, so I saw that price has already displaced a lot from this high down to this low, because in the morning, of course, there was no all this shit. I met price right here. So yeah, that's it. So I was now hoping that price would rebalance to this fair value gap, because there was a 1 hour fair value gap right here. So I was hoping that price would rebalance during London session. Yeah, because if you see, it aligns very much with the OT of the range. It aligns. So that's why I was hoping, and I was willing, not like I was willing, I literally took a trade targeting that fair value gap, but it ended up being a loss, because yeah, I know price always want to do. At the end of the day, we can't predict what price want to do though. So should I say it's part of the journey? That is. So yeah, seeing this high, this high was my initial target for the trade, because I got it's like the high under the fair value gap, so that's obviously what I'm going to target. Yeah, so I saw this market structure shift right here, although I was on desk when all this price action was happening. So seeing this shift, I decided to take a trade from this. There was actually a 30 minutes fair value gap right there. Yeah, look at it. This fair value gap, and there was another inverse fair value gap. That's why I took a trade from there. I took the trade, putting my stop loss at the body low of all these candles. Yeah, hoping to target this high right here. But as you can see, price melts through my stop loss. At the end of the day, it is what it is. That's all. Let me clean up this chat a little bit. Let me clean it up. Yeah. So yes, talking about the good trade, and we also had news today, unemployment claims. I guess that was this candle also. So talking about the good trade that I should have waited for. The better trade for the day was this trade here. So this was the trade, should I say the A+ setup of today. This was it, because price came to the 1 hour fair value gap, and this is like 5 minutes market structure shift with a fair value gap targeting the low, these lows here, or targeting 1 week to 2. So that's it. But like I said, I will only be taking 1 trade a day, because my account is in deep drawdown. So I will only be taking 1 trade a day. If not for that morning trade that I took, I would have took this trade. I ain't gonna lie, I would have taken this trade, because yeah, at the end of the day, that's it. We always learn from our mistake. I should have waited for this low to be taken out before taking any trade. That's it for trade recap of 13th and 12th of June. That's it. Like I said, this was the high quality setup that presented itself today, but unfortunately I didn't take it because I've already taken a loss, of course. So that's it. Peace. So yeah, this is the balance. This is the account here. Look at the balance. It is currently sitting at $9,240, and look at the loss I took today. Yeah, that's it. It was a buy, and the loss was $20, because I will only be risking $20 until I make back like 5% of the account. Yeah, until this account turns to like $9,500, then I will increase my risk. But for now, my risk is only $20. That's it. So yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button, so that when I upload, you all will receive more notification. And yeah, this is like a great support to me, so I really appreciate that if you all can support me by liking and sharing my videos. Peace, y'all.